Let's get down to brass tacks real quick. Soshi, tell me why I just found a chimp that was fucking genetically modified to be a sex slave in my bed with a post-it note like pinned to their forehead that said "From Soshi with love." What the fuck's up with that, buddy?
That's a romantic gesture.
His name's Bobo, and I made him for you.
That's lovely. Jaden, you should appreciate that. You should appreciate that. You're very lucky.
If he starts howling in fucking Cantonese, that means you're too far to the left. You need a...
Like politically.
Yeah.
A chimpanzee with like really strong political opinions. I won't get fucked by a liberal.
Isn't that basically just Donald Trump, though?
Yeah.